Traditional manufacturing refers to the classic methods of producing goods, often relying on manual labor, mechanical tools, and established processes that have been refined over decades. Unlike modern automated systems, traditional manufacturing emphasizes hands-on craftsmanship and the use of machinery that may not be digitally controlled. This approach has been the backbone of industrial growth for centuries, shaping the way products are made and delivered to consumers. In this video, we'll explore the key features, history, and ongoing relevance of traditional manufacturing, starting with its basic definition and moving through its evolution and impact. Roots of traditional manufacturing stretch back to the Industrial Revolution, when factories began to replace small workshops. Early manufacturers used steam engines and simple machines to boost productivity. These innovations allowed for mass production, making goods more affordable and accessible. Over time, manufacturing became a driving force behind economic development, creating jobs and transforming societies. Understanding these origins helps us appreciate how traditional manufacturing set the stage for today's advanced production methods. Traditional manufacturing is defined by several key characteristics. It often involves repetitive processes, assembly lines, and a reliance on skilled workers to operate machinery. Quality control is typically performed by human inspectors rather than automated systems. The focus is on consistency and efficiency, with each worker playing a specific role in the production process. These features have helped traditional manufacturing remain relevant, even as technology continues to advance. Defining element of traditional manufacturing is the significant role of manual labor. Workers are responsible for operating machines, assembling parts, and ensuring product quality. This hands-on approach requires training and experience, as each task must be performed accurately to maintain standards. While automation is growing, many traditional factories still depend on the expertise and diligence of their workforce to keep production running smoothly. Traditional manufacturing is used to produce a wide range of goods, from automobiles and appliances to textiles and furniture. These products often require multiple steps, including cutting, shaping, assembling, and finishing. The versatility of traditional methods allows factories to adapt to different product lines, making them essential for industries that value customization and craftsmanship. One of the most significant advancements in traditional manufacturing was the introduction of the assembly line. This system divides production into a series of tasks, with each worker responsible for a specific step. The assembly line greatly increased efficiency, allowing factories to produce large quantities of goods quickly and at lower costs. This innovation remains a cornerstone of traditional manufacturing today. Traditional manufacturing relies heavily on mechanical tools and machinery. These range from simple hand tools to complex machines like lathes, presses, and conveyors. While not as advanced as today's computerized equipment, these machines are robust and designed for durability. Skilled workers are needed to operate and maintain them, ensuring that production lines run smoothly and efficiently. Traditional manufacturing, quality control is often a manual process. Inspectors visually check products for defects, measure dimensions, and test functionality. This hands-on approach ensures that only items meeting strict standards reach customers. While it can be time-consuming, manual quality control allows for immediate feedback and adjustments, helping maintain a reputation for reliability. Skilled workforce is essential in traditional manufacturing. Workers must understand how to operate machinery, follow safety protocols, and troubleshoot problems. Many skills are passed down through apprenticeships or on-the-job training, creating a culture of expertise and pride. This focus on skill development helps factories maintain high standards and adapt to new challenges. Safety is a top priority in traditional manufacturing environments. Factories implement strict safety protocols to protect workers from hazards such as moving machinery, sharp tools, and heavy materials. Regular training sessions, protective gear, and clear signage help reduce accidents. A safe workplace not only protects employees but also ensures consistent production and quality. Traditional manufacturing depends on a steady supply of raw materials like metals, wood, textiles, and plastics. Sourcing these materials involves building relationships with suppliers and ensuring quality standards are met. The choice of raw materials affects the final product's durability, appearance, and cost, making sourcing a critical part of the manufacturing process. Effective production planning is vital for traditional manufacturing. Managers must schedule tasks, allocate resources, and coordinate workers to keep the assembly line moving. Planning also involves forecasting demand, managing inventory, and minimizing downtime. Good planning ensures that factories can meet customer orders on time and maintain profitability. Managing inventory is a constant challenge in traditional manufacturing. Factories must balance having enough materials on hand to avoid delays with minimizing excess stock that ties up capital. Inventory management systems, even simple ones, help track materials and finished goods, ensuring smooth operations and reducing waste. Machinery in traditional manufacturing requires regular maintenance to prevent breakdowns. Skilled technicians inspect equipment, replace worn parts, and make repairs as needed. Preventive maintenance schedules help avoid costly downtime and keep production lines running efficiently. This attention to upkeep is a hallmark of successful traditional factories. Traditional manufacturing consumes significant amounts of energy, mainly for running machines, lighting, and heating. Factories often look for ways to reduce energy costs by upgrading equipment or improving insulation. Efficient energy use not only lowers expenses but also reduces the environmental impact of manufacturing operations. Traditional manufacturing can have a significant impact on the environment, from emissions and waste to resource consumption. Many factories are adopting cleaner practices, such as recycling materials and reducing pollution. These efforts help balance the need for production with the responsibility to protect the environment for future generations. One advantage of traditional manufacturing is the ability to customize products. Skilled workers can adjust processes to meet specific customer requirements, offering flexibility that mass automation sometimes lacks. This adaptability is especially valuable in industries where unique or small batch items are in demand. Traditional manufacturing faces several challenges, including rising labor costs, competition from automated factories, and the need to comply with regulations. Adapting to new technologies while preserving core skills is a constant balancing act. Despite these obstacles, many traditional manufacturers continue to thrive by focusing on quality and customer service. Globalization has transformed traditional manufacturing by opening up new markets and increasing competition. Factories now source materials and sell products worldwide, requiring them to meet international standards. This global reach brings both opportunities and challenges, pushing manufacturers to innovate and improve efficiency. Labor unions have played a significant role in traditional manufacturing, advocating for workers' rights, fair wages, and safe working conditions. Unions negotiate with factory owners to improve benefits and resolve disputes, helping create a more stable and productive workforce. Their influence remains strong in many manufacturing sectors. Women have made significant contributions to traditional manufacturing, especially during times of labor shortages such as World War II. Today, women continue to play vital roles on the factory floor and in management. Their participation brings diverse perspectives and skills, enriching the manufacturing environment. Apprenticeships are a cornerstone of traditional manufacturing, providing hands-on training for new workers. Experienced employees mentor apprentices, teaching them the skills needed to operate machinery and maintain quality. This system ensures that knowledge is passed down and that factories have a steady supply of skilled labor. Some factories have become icons of traditional manufacturing, such as the Ford Motor Company's early assembly lines or textile mills in England. These sites symbolize industrial progress and innovation, attracting visitors and historians alike. Their legacy continues to inspire new generations of manufacturers. Textile manufacturing is one of the oldest forms of traditional manufacturing. Factories spin fibers into yarn, weave fabrics, and dye materials to create clothing and other products. This industry relies on skilled workers and specialized machines, blending tradition with innovation to meet changing fashion trends. Automobile manufacturing is a classic example of traditional manufacturing on a large scale. Factories assemble vehicles using a combination of manual labor and machinery, with each worker responsible for a specific task. The industry has evolved, but many traditional practices remain at its core. Furniture production combines craftsmanship with traditional manufacturing techniques. Workers cut, shape, and assemble wood or metal parts to create durable and attractive pieces. Attention to detail and quality materials are essential, making this industry a showcase for skilled labor and traditional methods. Traditional food processing involves transforming raw ingredients into packaged foods using established recipes and methods. Factories may bake bread, can vegetables, or process dairy products, relying on both machines and skilled workers. Consistency and safety are top priorities in this sector. Metalworking is a core part of traditional manufacturing, involving cutting, shaping, and assembling metal parts. Skilled machinists use lathes, drills, and presses to create components for everything from tools to vehicles. Precision and experience are crucial in this demanding field. Ceramics and pottery manufacturing blends artistry with traditional production methods. Workers mold clay, fire pieces in kilns, and apply glazes by hand. This industry values creativity and attention to detail, producing both functional and decorative items for homes and businesses. Paper and printing factories use traditional manufacturing processes to produce books, newspapers, and packaging materials. Workers operate presses, cut paper, and oversee quality control. Despite digital advances, these factories remain essential for many industries and consumers. Leather goods manufacturing is a traditional craft that involves tanning hides, cutting patterns, and stitching products by hand or machine. Factories produce shoes, bags, belts, and more, combining durability with style. Skilled workers ensure each item meets high standards of quality. Glassmaking is a centuries-old manufacturing process that requires skill and precision. Workers melt sand and other materials, shape molten glass, and cool it to form bottles, windows, and decorative items. Traditional glass factories blend artistry with technical expertise. Jewelry manufacturing combines traditional techniques with fine craftsmanship. Workers cast metals, set stones, and polish pieces by hand. This industry values precision and creativity, producing items that are both beautiful and durable. Tool and die making is essential for producing the molds and tools used in other manufacturing processes. Skilled workers design, cut, and finish metal parts with extreme precision. This specialized field supports a wide range of industries from automotive to electronics. Once products are made, traditional factories package and ship them to customers. Workers assemble boxes, label items, and coordinate logistics to ensure timely delivery. Efficient packaging and shipping are crucial for maintaining customer satisfaction and business success. Maintenance teams are the unsung heroes of traditional manufacturing. They keep machines running, fix breakdowns, and perform routine checks. Their expertise ensures that production lines operate smoothly, minimizing downtime and maximizing output. The layout of a traditional factory is carefully planned to optimize workflow. Machines and workstations are arranged to minimize movement and maximize efficiency. Good layouts help reduce waste, improve safety, and support high-quality production. Traditional manufacturing often operates around the clock with workers assigned to different shifts. This approach maximizes machine use and meets high demand. Shift work requires careful scheduling and coordination to ensure smooth handovers and consistent production. Traditional manufacturing is more than just a way of making things, it's a legacy passed down through generations. Many factories have deep roots in their communities, providing stable jobs and supporting local economies. This heritage is a source of pride for workers and owners alike. While traditional manufacturing values established methods, it also adapts to change. Factories may introduce new materials, update equipment, or adopt lean manufacturing principles to stay competitive. This willingness to evolve helps traditional manufacturers survive in a rapidly changing world. Lean manufacturing is a set of principles aimed at reducing waste and improving efficiency. Many traditional factories have adopted lean practices such as just-in-time production and continuous improvement. These methods help factories stay profitable and responsive to customer needs. Some traditional manufacturers are integrating digital tools like inventory software and digital quality checks into their processes. This blend of old and new helps factories improve accuracy, reduce errors, and stay competitive without losing their traditional strengths. Traditional manufacturers often build strong relationships with their customers. Personalized service, attention to detail, and a commitment to quality help create loyal clients. These relationships are a key advantage in a competitive marketplace. Future of traditional manufacturing will likely involve a mix of classic methods and new technologies. Factories that embrace change while preserving their core strengths will continue to play an important role in the global economy. By valuing craftsmanship, quality, and adaptability, traditional manufacturing remains relevant in the modern world. Traditional manufacturing has shaped industries and societies for generations. Its reliance on skilled workers, established processes, and a commitment to quality continues to provide value in today's fast-changing world. As we look ahead, the blend of tradition and innovation will ensure that traditional manufacturing remains a vital part of our economic landscape.